Having an organised home isn't a one and done project. I'm sure you've seen or heard of TV shows where a crew comes in to a messy home, removes everything, sets it up and leaves. This may seem appealing to you. Many people are overwhelmed at the thought of going through their belongings, making a decision about each item and then maintaining an organised home. Wouldn't it be easier to have somebody just come in and do it for you? But the problem with one and done organising is that it doesn't help you build new habits. Your home might look nice right then, but if the way someone else organised your things doesn't suit you and you don't know how to keep it organised, the clutter will come right back. It's a learned skill and one that anyone can learn. And there's nothing wrong with using an organising service like Organise2Excel to help you with that on a regular basis. An organised home is much easier to keep that way. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want regular updates on practical tips to organise your life. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise2Excel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for over 15 years. And I'm here today to help you organise your home. Before we start talking about home organising systems, you first want to understand what you actually want. The building blocks of creating and maintaining an organised home are lifestyle, mindset, and momentum. Imagine your ideal home. What's it like? How much space do you want in each room? Are you a collector? Do you have roommates, children, or a significant other living with you? Asking yourself questions like these puts a clear picture of your ideal home in your mind. And once you have that, you have a goal. And whether you're a minimalist, a collector, or prefer a cozy home determines how you're going to declutter and set up your home. What's important to you? Knowing what your values are is another way to clarify your home organisation goals. If you love cooking, your ideal kitchen will look very different from someone who prefers takeout. And how do you talk to yourself about organisation? Positive self-talk is an important tool for someone trying to get organised. Negativity and being hard on yourself makes the road towards success a lot more bumpy. How easy or difficult is it for you to let go of items? Making an honest self-assessment about how hard it is for you to let go of items prepares you for the work. If you find you have a hard time letting go of objects, you'll know to take your time and not try to race through the process. And hopefully be kinder to yourself. Once you've achieved your goal of organising your home, the challenge becomes keeping it that way. So I've written before about how to incorporate a new habit into your life, and I can't overstate how much power habits can have. When you know what you're working towards, keep a positive mindset, and use habits to your advantage, you can create and keep your ideal home. If you want help setting up your home organising systems, go to homeorganizingsystems.com to sign up for our new 4-week course starting in the spring. Organise2Excel, practical solutions for everyday issues. Subscribe, like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and visit our website organise2excel.com.